Apple TV is known for its original series like Ted Lasso, Silo, and Severance, but it's now offering new content it doesn't often feature classic films. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The streaming service just made around 20 popular movies available for subscribers to stream, including The Martian, E.T., The Proposal, The Sixth Sense, Titanic, and Zodiac. You can usually only buy or rent these movies from the Apple TV store, but they're all now tagged as just added, so they can be streamed for free with an Apple TV subscription, which costs $12.99 per month or $99 a year. If you want to watch one but aren't sure about signing up, you can get a 7-day free trial, but just be sure to cancel at the end if that's what you want to do. Apple TV is available as a native app on smartphones, tablets, and PCs, or of course on an Apple TV streaming device. The list of new films includes The Martian, Arrival, The Bourne Identity, Looper, E.T., The Proposal, I, Robot, Forgetting Sarah Marshall, 21 Jump Street, The Sixth Sense, Gone Girl, Zoolander, Zodiac, Charlie's Angels, Titanic, Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, A Beautiful Mind, The Aviator, and The Rookie. It's not clear what Apple's plans are behind the addition of these films or how long they'll be available to stream with a subscription. It's likely aimed to help engagement and retention while adding new subs, as Netflix has shown classic TV and movie content like Friends and The Office is often the most viewed content it carries. Plus, Apple gets a chance to show off its good taste, picking a selection of pretty good movies across a number of genres. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.